Good morning, kids. Today we are going to study about letter H. Everybody say letter H. Okay, the sound of the letter H is one more time. The sound of the letter H is Now, let us watch a video. Ready?
I like to hop, 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 up and down. I like to hop, 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 all around. I like to hop, 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 up and down.
Again.
I like to hop, 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 up and down. I like to hop, 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 all around. I like to hop, 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 up and down.
Okay, so this is letter H. The sound of the letter H is Okay, we have horse. Horse. So this is a horse. 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 Next we have house. House. This is a house. House. Next we have hen. Hen. So these are the things that start with letter H. H. So this is letter H. H. Letter H. Horse. Horse. House. House. Hen. Hen. Great. Now repeat after me. This is a horse. This is a horse. Very good. This is a horse. This is a house. This is a house. This is a house. Good job. This is a hen. This is a hen. Good job, kids. Now, let's match. Draw a line. Can you draw a line? Okay, let us read first. Horse, horse, hen, hen, house, house. First we have horse. Which one is the horse? Very good. This is a horse. Which one is the hen? Great job. That is a hen. And the last one, house. House. Which one is a house? Good job. So these are the things that starts with the letter H. With the letter H. Horse, hen, house. Good job. See you again next time. Bye.